Timber! I'm gonna get a timber! Hey, I got an idea. What's that? He's onto something. Bite-sized timber! Oh, don't step on those. Those are leaves, and he loves those leaves. Yeah. It's my snack time. Oh, hi! Oh, I'm okay. I just wanted to start over and say hi. In case you're wondering what the heck kind of creature am I, I'm a prairie dog. If you don't know what a prairie dog is, you've probably seen them at zoos before. They look like this. Yeah, they're like little rodents. Kind of like mutated big buffy squirrels. And I'm one of them. I'm Pado. That's my name, Pado. I'm Prairie Dog Pado. So no. Well, hey, you can't show the title without me. Because it's mine. See? So no. That's me. I'm a prairie dog. And this whole story you're gonna hear is gonna be all about me. There is so much in my life that you must know. Yes, I eat leaves. That's what prairie dogs have in their food chain. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating because you guys didn't come to see me eat. You came to see me get active. And if you want to see more about me getting active, well, this whole 1 hour event is gonna be just for you guys. All for you. Oh, excuse me. Whew, that's what I give for That's what I give for not trying to stop eating. Now, why don't we get started, shall we? I live among this jungle, all by myself, where there nothing but tall, dry grass, trees, lots of trees. Sorry, lots of them, and a fun hiding area for me to hide. Here I am. Timber's Prairie Dog Pado. Now playing in theaters and Facebook, rated PG.